I'm going to highlight disparity between a Swiggy Super account and a non-Swiggy Super account. First of all, I would like to show all of y'all that I had already reported this issue to the Swiggy social media team, but they just failed to address my issue. They say there is no certain disparity. This is my conversation with the Swiggy social media team. Now let me show the real issue. So this over here is a non-Swiggy Super account. This account doesn't have any Swiggy Super membership, and I'll search for this particular restaurant. Yeah, it's Bangla Ranna Ghar. See over here, it clearly shows me this restaurant offers a 50% off. I'll try to add anything from this restaurant. For suppose, let's add 2 bread pakoras. Now see, this automatically applies the Swiggy It or coupon, and it shows me also over here that available coupon Swiggy It, which I can apply, and I am getting 100 rupees discount also. I'll just try to do the same on my super account. Yeah, this over here is a account which has a Swiggy Super membership. You might see this account has a Swiggy Super membership. So I'll search for the exact same restaurant, and we'll try to get the exact same food item that we saw in the other account. Over here you can see instantly that it doesn't show any 50% off. That Swiggy It coupon is not showing over here. We'll check for that bread pakora. Just search for it. Yeah, here's our bread pakora. You can see I'm adding the exact same thing that I added in my non-Swiggy Super account. Now you see, delivery partner fee is free because you are super, and it doesn't automatically apply any coupon. Now if I am going to the apply coupon section, it doesn't show me that Swiggy It coupon. I'll try to manually write it and apply. Yeah, it clearly shows coupon is not applicable in this restaurant. Now I'll just give you all another example. I'll show you all another restaurant where I have found again the same thing. The name of the restaurant is CO, that is Care of Bengali. Yeah, so over here it directly shows this restaurant is offering a 20% discount when using the coupon code Swiggy It. Try 100 rupees is Shukto we'll add 2 quantities, it's 200. see here it's showing delivery partner fee 24, and I'll apply the coupon Swiggy it over here. It shows me the coupon Swiggy it. Yeah, the coupon got applied. Now we'll try to do the same exact thing on my Swiggy Super account. See, again the same thing. This doesn't show any offer. We'll try to find, yeah, here's the Shukto. Add again the same two quantities, 200. Yeah, the delivery fee is 0. Try to apply that coupon. See, it's not here actually. I'll again try to manually do it. Restaurant coupon is not applicable in this restaurant. So Anish, I would like to share this video with you now. You told me that there is no, yeah, you have written this to me. Please note that the Swiggy Super subscription does not have any disparity to the offers applicable, as the one in question, Swiggy It, is a restaurant specific offer. I have captured the proof via screen recording and I am sharing it with you now.